This next one, well, I guess it's about making friends too. If you follow this band, well, you might know it. It's called Personality. First sight, we both swiped right. About a week later, went out to dinner. When we got the plate on the first night, she was so humble, it was so sublime. We kind of vibed out a good old time. But then she said, I'm looking for the one. I said, I don't think so. I'm trying to have the fun. She said, I don't think so. She's looking for the one. I said, I don't think so. I'm trying to have a fun. She said, I met her on stage in my women's studies class. She had a cute face and such a nice personality. After all the day, promised I'd be late. She felt us with oh fuck without spare. Oh fuck without spare. She's looking for the one. I said, I don't think so. I'm trying to have a fun. She said, I don't think so. She's looking for the one. I said, I don't think so. I'm trying to have a fun. She said, you're ready to sing? Come on! I'm looking for the one. I said, I don't think so. I'm trying to have fun. She said, I don't think so. She's looking for the one. I said, I don't think so. I'm trying to have fun. She said, I think you're just trying to fuck me. But then she said, I'm looking for the one. I said, I don't think so. try to